if you're in a place where you're feeling regret or trapped by your business and you're not sure what to do, the very first thing that I would recommend you do is to have a deep dive, heart to heart sit down with your soul. If you knew what you know now before you started your business, would you do it all over again? And if the answer is a hell yeah or absolutely, or maybe it's even just, yeah, I would do this all over again if only I could find a way to make it financially, mentally, emotionally, and physically sustainable, then stick with me. The first thing you want to do is dream a little dream. Remember, if you're a woman, especially, it's so easy to self sacrifice because you have the instinct to nurture. So don't sell yourself short here. Don't self sacrifice at all. Ask yourself the question, if I could have everything exactly the way that I want it, what would it look like? How many days a week would you work? What hours would you work? Would you have employees helping you? How far would you drive if you go to in client's home? What animals would you be working with? What type? What age? What size? Ask yourself all of these questions and write it all down. Even if it sounds like it is impossible or a ridiculous dream, write it down. Those usually mean they are worth going for. If it hasn't been done before, it's only because nobody took the time to figure out how to make it happen. And that's exactly what you're doing by sitting down and dreaming. Dreaming from your heart, not your head.